Hello everyone. Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is special economic zone. This topic relates to economy section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. India's government notified significant reforms to the special economic zones SEZ rules 2006, aiming to boost semiconductor and electronics component manufacturing. The Department of Commerce issued the new amendments on June 3rd. 2025, focusing on reducing import dependency, enhancing domestic manufacturing, and addressing the capital-intensive nature of these sectors. Let us discuss key reforms and changes. Land requirement reduced. The minimum land threshold for semiconductor and electronics component SEZs has been reduced from 50 hectares to 10 hectares. This change aims to lower entry barriers for companies entering this sector. Relaxed land norms. Amendments to Rule 7 allow the Board of Approval to relax the requirement for encumbrance-free land in cases where land is mortgaged or leased to government entities. Free-of-cost goods in NFE. Rule 53 allows goods received or supplied for free to be included in net foreign exchange (NFE) calculations, making it easier to meet compliance requirements. Domestic sales flexibility. Rule 18 now permits SEZ units in these sectors to sell products in the domestic tariff area (DTA) after paying the required duties, enhancing commercial viability. Let us talk about special economic zones. SEZs were introduced to promote exports, attract foreign and domestic investment, generate employment, and develop world-class infrastructure. The first export processing zone, EPZ, in Asia was set up in Kandla, India in 1965, and the SEZ policy was announced in April 2000 to address infrastructure and regulatory shortcomings of earlier EPZs. SEZs are administered as per the SEZ Act 2005 and SEZ Rules 2006, with each zone headed by a development commissioner. SEZs can be developed by the government, private sector, or through public-private partnerships. It's time to test your knowledge. And the question is, what is the new minimum land requirement for SEZs dedicated to semiconductor manufacturing? A. 50 hectares. B. 20 hectares. C. 10 hectares. D. 15 hectares. Send the answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.